Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now by prepping and removing the GPU. Don't linger. Heat the board gradually to weaken solder. 120 to 150 degrees C is safe for preheating. Once the solder softens, use a steady heat gun and gentle lift with tweezers to remove the chip. Make sure to keep the board clamped and use flux to keep surfaces wet. This prevents copper pad damage. Inspect pads under magnification, clean residual solder with wick, and organize your workspace so reballing is immediate. You now clean the pads and prepare the GPU for new balls. Remove old solder with flux and wick until copper pads are shiny. Test continuity if unsure. Once clean, align a stencil or use tack flux and carefully place 0.5 mm solder balls on each pad. Reflow the balls just enough to tack them. Cooling slowly prevents tombstoning. After reflow, inspect every ball with a microscope. If any are off, reposition them using a fine vacuum pick before final reflow. You finish by reflowing the chip and verifying function. Preheat the board evenly, then perform a controlled reflow profile. Ramp, soak, peak, cool, so solder melts and forms proper joints. Once cooled to room temp, reapply high-quality thermal paste and reseat the heatsink. Reassemble and boot the console. Watch for post-LEDs and fan activity. If the Xbox 360 fails to boot, make sure to inspect for bridges or cold joints under magnification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.